welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I've shown you how to fix TikTok keeps restarting by itself. So some people have been having the issue of trying to play videos on their TikTok and it keeps restarting. Like now I'm trying to watch a video and it keeps restarting just like this. Keeps restarting. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings just like this, open it up and scroll down to apps. When you get to apps, what you need to do is you need to search for TikTok, just like this. Okay, it's loading. So you click on TikTok and you scroll to storage. Once you're in storage, all you need to do is clear cache. You need to clear your cache and you also need to clear your data. So bear in mind that if you are going to clear your data, your account will be logged out as well. So you have to bear that in mind. So after doing this, you need to go restart your phone. Click on restart and restart it. So once it's restarted and you have very strong internet connection, the problem will stop. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.